ELEGIANT EG Shutter 120 LED 10.5-inch aluminum tripod stand selfie ring light. So let's check that out. Unbox it. We have a little tripod stand. You're gonna you're gonna set your ring light on there. This is your ring light. As you can see, it's pretty nice and big, 10 inches, I think it said. You're gonna put you can loosen that so you can adjust the ring light, and then put the stand on. Screw that in there. Just got to get the right angle, the correct angle. So you're gonna put your phone in here, and I can't put my phone in there right now because it's actually recording, but that adjusts easily. You can tighten that to swivel this around, and then you can tighten this as well so it's nice and sturdy. You're going to plug this into a wall outlet, and let me see if it comes with one. What it comes with, okay. It does not, but it also comes with a remote control, which is very cool. So you can control your phone or camera, I assume, through a setting that's going to connect to your phone or camera. Alright, the directions are in Spanish and English. Yeah, so there's a Bluetooth connection. It's called EG Shutter. I'm going to pause the video and get a outlet cord here so I can plug it in and show you the light. Okay, so it's plugged in, and I turn it on with this button, and I can switch the color. It's 3 different colors, and the strength of the brightness of the light. So it goes up maybe 10 levels. Alright, so there you have it.